his show on the homecoming show. He gets the great privilege of being able to see his friends and family in his hometown on the weekend. Unheard of in the air show business. Well, if you're lucky, you do get a homecoming show throughout the course of the air show season, which you have heard today begins about mid-March or so and ends up in mid-November. And at that point in time, you're gone away from home an awful lot. You get back to do your hometown show in Dallas, California. Talent has produced so much talent. Talent has produced so many leaders. Let me tell you about that. One of the original founders of the show, the great Jim Gaddis, is here with his wife Jerry this weekend. Developed a plan for a successful air show. Gave it to the world. They call it the Salinas Plan. For that, Jim Gaddis won the highest award in our industry, the Sword of Excellence in 1985. Wayne Edward Handley won that same sword in the year 2001. And our outgoing chairman, Terry Wardwell, received the Sword of Excellence in 2004. The Show Award, the Art Show Award given to Sean Stuck in 1992, Wayne Handley in 1997, the Bill Barber Award given to Sean in 1992, Wayne Handley in 1996, and the National Aviation Hall of Fame inducted Sean Tucker in the year 2000. Right, back to you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as the propeller comes to a stop, let's get him up and out of the cockpit. Sean E. Tucker and the Oracle Challenger 3. Thank you again, Brian Morris. I want to say thank you to all that Sean had going on. He was able to host the party at the Handley. Now, I'm going to go on the street and try to get a hold of a name that's very familiar to this air show. Wayne, this is the stack time. You agree? It's been 2.5 weeks. Folks, the voice you're hearing is one of the legends in our business. It is the incomparable Wayne Edward Handley. He is coming visible 2 years left. And Wayne, we got an exciting thing for us today.
Yes, Danny, I'm going to do a maneuver that's never been seen in an air show before. This is a V-tailed Bonanza flying. It doesn't have elevators or rudder graders on the inside. And I'm going to come in into a 3-point rudder grader roll.
I read the description, but I won't be able to keep up your legendary for originating toxic narration in your acrobatic routine. Let's call this one the RV routine.
Okay, I'll come in into the crowd. Speed of smell. And I'm going to check the website today. And I'll count these 3 things out for you. What I'm going to do, I'm going to with the rise.
All right, we heard it. Let's see if you believe me. Wayne Handley, watch this.
Okay, this is one on.
All right, let's hear the party, ladies and gentlemen. Get it? It's amazing. Get it? But our favorite aerial comedian, Wayne Handley.
I think you can get away with that.
All right, Wayne's coming in. Wayne, you know, he was a time on the lake up there on the hill now. He sold his operation down at Greenfield. He's a product of the Salinas Valley. He had a great respected by everyone around the world. But he's in here this weekend. He brought in his stock, V-tailed Bonanza, because he would never think of letting his pal, Harry Ward, retire at his last show without being here.
It's above the control tower now.
Because maybe the show and hopefully together with Harry Ward, a great friend. Something he wouldn't miss.
We keep here, we go when we retire from here to visit. We still keep here to visit. We're always going. It's welcome to our tent.
All right, Wayne, we have two people thanks as we continue on with our extravaganza, our retro extravaganza, Jim Gaddis on. We're going to throw up in the air. We're going to... Oh,
No, we're gonna do some good stuff over here, and then we're gonna combine that with the Handley from Canada. They would come to us and do some
Just touchdown.
all right, so we've got Red Bull action with the Red Bull Edge 540 monoplane with the Red Bull V-tailed helicopter and with the Red Bull skydiver. All right, Red Bull skydiver here, all eyes ahead. If they can get it, that's what they like for 6,000 people. They got their back suits on now. And they are on the radio frequency this time. Guys, can you read that? Hey, Chuck, you're loud and clear. Let her rip. Give us an idea what's going on, man.
Okay, let me turn off the smoke. Everybody look upstairs. We're at 6,000 feet. I got 4 Red Bull skydivers, the best in the world, standing on the skids. Flipping it down. They're on my helicopter, and I'm indicating 50 knots. So we get a little closer to get ready to jump.
All right. They are 50 clock.
So I got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, I'm to the left now. This is creeping in the sky at unbelievable speed. It's in the program. You open it up, you'll see there flying back here. Doing his candy cane around the skydivers. They're holding that position again. Let me introduce our skydivers. Clint Clark, John DeLore, Charles Bryant, and Mike Swanson.
One guy in an airplane and 4 guys in wings.
Yes, so actually you have 5 pilots up there, don't you?
That's right, they're flying.
Yes, they are flying. They have direction. They have speed control. Look at that. And they'll be taking the right Chuck Aaron with a helicopter coming in with the shot. So we have the Red Bull extravaganza. The monoplane tumbling in over end. Helicopter high over the skydiver. Loud and clear. All right, now as the skydivers get lower, watch them pick up the speed. Depth is like speed, push the ground, and then at the last minute, push the ground. Go from the vertical to the horizontal. Lead up for a minute. Jumped off of a 30-story casino wearing keys and developed a form of flying that allows the to reach speeds of nearly 340 miles per hour. They have also been mistaken for UFOs. Here comes the speed. Watch the vertical descent when you think it's all over. Skill breaks that rate of descent. They come sliding in.